Just need to do a quick sound check.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Last thing is clap. Perfect.
We have 33,000 plus students, around 10,000 full-time faculty and staff. What drove us to start looking for a low-code platform was the B word, backlog. We were happy with our current environment, but it just took too long. So our main goal was to try to find a platform that would enable us to increase the speed of our development and put out applications quicker. So when we switched to OutSystems 7+ years ago, all of our developers were traditional full stack developers. So there was some resistance in the beginning, definitely some questioning of why are we doing this? Am I gonna lose my skill set? Am I gonna be marketable after this? Some people left because it just wasn't for them, but the people that stayed and gave it a try or a chance saw that it's really the same as traditional development in a lot of senses. Instead of spending time developing components over and over again, simple components like a login component or button, you could drag and drop and design those things easy in OutSystems and spend more time actually solving the problem. And OutSystems still gives you the capability to write code, C#, Java. You can make an application as complex as you want.
Where do you want us to start?
If you can, from the beginning of the interview.
I think our first application took us 3 months. We were just learning. But if they did that in our traditional .NET environment, they're like, wow, this would have taken us 1.5 years or 2 years. I don't know if we would have ever finished it. And so when they see that, it gives them the opportunity to be on more projects, do different things, free up time to do research and development on new and emerging technologies and work on cool things. That's what really sold it to the team. So at the beginning, it took us a little bit to build our core components, or what we call our Lego blocks. But once we did, and we had those building blocks to start over from, we got better and better at predicting our velocity. So we could say, all right, a 2-person developer team can do this type of workflow in 2 months. And it made it a lot easier for us to get our estimates just based on how many developers we had, what projects were on the backlog. And we have probably now 65 or 70 customer-facing applications and hundreds of internal helper apps that we've built. But I can't say that the backlog's gone, because the backlog will never be gone. People are always going to want a new project. But we're not scared of the backlog anymore. We've gotten to a lot of release 2s and release 3s and release 4s. And prior to this, release 2 or phase 2 was like a joke, like unheard of. So it's improved our relationship with the businesses, where we're able to proactively go out and not only groom the backlog, but ask them about their current applications. And do you still use it? What features do you like? How's it working out for you? Things that we didn't have as much time to do before, we're able to do now.
Okay, that's it.
That's it.
Thank you so
done?
much.
All right.
And now, since I had to record again, let's clap. Perfect.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.